All right, guys, so we're doing a quick analysis on AUDUSD. So bear with me. I'm going to try to do this as quickly as possible. So for the first thing I'm going to look at is what is the overall direction. So AUDUSD as of right now is bearish, but if you go higher, you kind of get a picture that there was somewhat of a bull move as of recent as 2020. But that's not the whole picture. The whole picture, when you go up even higher, you get to realize, okay, cool, there's a bull move even from here. But then when you look at AUDUSD overall, it's a bear market. It hasn't blown out nor the highs nor the lows as of recent. So it's a little complicated in terms of what I think it's doing overall, but I do believe it's more bearish than it is bullish. In a bear market, what is important is any bull move is an induction, and you can see that evident there. Every time it goes bullish in any big way, it does indeed reject that bull move and then go back bearish. That being said, I'm not seeing a clear rejection of anything right now, so I would not try to sell it as of right now. But I do believe sells are more likely the case for AUDUSD. That being said, this move as well is a little problematic for me because what's happening, again, we're in a bear market. So why is it buying here? Back to this, what we would call, what the masses actually would call a resistance. If this is a resistance, what's going on? Is it that the dealer is trying to induce the sellers? If he's trying to induce the sellers, then it's not a sell right now, is it? You feel me? That's the whole idea behind the way I trade. Being dynamic is trying to figure out what's happening and why. If I feel like the dealer is trying to induce sellers, I would not sell, especially in a market that I know is bearish based on what I am seeing. So for me, the best thing to do is literally to just leave this alone for right now. But I am interested in sells long term, but there's nothing for me to do right now. I think this is the way you should look at your trading as well. And if you don't, I mean, you realize I barely did any drawing. I literally just drew two lines, but those two lines were enough to give me a lot of insight into what I think might actually be the case, right? So yeah, I will keep sending updates and all of that on these pairs, but let's see how it goes.